Hey guys, I'll show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, we need to simply open run, then type here %temp% and hit enter. You will get multiple files and folders here, so select all them together. You can just press Ctrl+A together to open select all these files. Right click on them and click on delete. Once done, close this window, again open run. This time type temp only and hit enter. Again you will get multiple files and folders here. Just select all them and delete them. Once done, we need to simply open task manager and click on run new task, then click on browse button, go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now we need to find out system32 folder. Now we need to find out cmd.exe file. Here it is. Select it and click on open. Check this box and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute the commands, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type in gp update and hit enter. Once done, we need to wait for a few seconds to complete the process, and then we will move to the next command, that will be chk dsk space c:/f and hit enter, then type y and hit enter. Now you need to type in sfc space /scan now. So this command will take around 10 to 15 minutes, so we need to complete this process in the background, and we will move to the next method. Just go to the search bar, type your services, click here to open it. We need to find out the sysmain, and sysmain is also known as superfetch, so the both are same. Simply right click on it, select properties, you need to set startup type as disabled, then click on stop button. This will stop the services status, and click on apply and then OK. Again we need to find out the Windows search. Here it is. Right click on it, select properties, again set startup type as disabled, click on apply and then OK. Now go for the Windows update. Right click on it, select properties, set startup type as disabled, click on apply, and when if you are it's showing service status running, then we need to click on stop. So once done, click on OK and close this window. Now in the last method, we need to complete these up to the 100%. Once done, type exit and close this window. Now go to search bar, type your msconfig and hit enter. This is system configuration. Now click on services tab, check this option, select all these options, services, and click on disable all, then click on apply and then OK, and simply restart your system. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively, and yeah, you're good to go.